for I'm baby be a obiana me ma akwaba and ba Xposed so now our summer eguso abeto na it say it is still creating the fear and the panic now and the tension among the people in Ghana. Say after Andra yen na yete say Christian Atsu ya fine no and you have been rescued under the rubble e dan ye bubu ye e wo teki memu any ade ni na no ye hu say ana ye nyantie say ya rescue no but enkosi ene ebesi ene no say ya ko rescue no obi an shedam fan enu hu say Christian Atsu woni ana yo because ni enim say our 9th floor it 9th floor no one the eden dan no ebubu ni the eden obewo so those people that was rescued there no they felt said Christian Atsu was among your rescue announce information better say the team for management any one of Ghanaian player be Obama team ni any Yenya Bema Dankoku your boy between Koma what you say after say you see a rescue no they have tried to reach out say hospital way and a Christian Atsu ewo and I say aha and a Christian Atsu ewo no omu hu because they have not seen his face or ewo baby or anything or it is still creating a change say after rescue no they cannot still confirm say this is Christian Atsu and yebisa they say what is the way for and so still na almost hwehwe because they have gone to hospital one send nkofo wu na nkofo ayare yakọ baby bebre ya chi akọ places bebre yeah hwehwe say yebe wu Christian Atsu ye kotie ensem a emra dem koku ye boy efre manager ana say team football manager ya wo take no on in the between komo ye kotie ensem.
Morning, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you. How are you?
Actually, we are not good. You know, yesterday we talked with you and we shared the club's official explanation about Christian Atsu. Vice President told all media and all world media said he was rescued and at hospital. But in the evening times, he gave one more explanation that he didn't see his eyes, he just heard this. So there is no confirmation, something like this. So after that, his Ghanaian agent also, Nana, me, his family, we are all in contact. We started to research hospitals everywhere. We still couldn't take any information, so we are still waiting. Of course, we hope he is at hospital or something like this, but there is no confirmation, so we need to follow official things, I want to say, okay? So it's not clear yet.
You mean after the news was confirmed to you that our brother Atsu has been rescued and taken to hospital, since yesterday there hasn't been any update as to whether he's responding to treatment and which particular hospital he was sent to?
No, there is not any hospital name. It is the point actually. And the Vice President said he heard he was at hospital. He didn't see. So he can't give 100% confirmation about it. And you know, I'm in Turkey and he's our friend. I checked all hospital. I gave his name, his passport, I did everything. There is still no news about him. We are pushing to get correct news, but now the situation is not clear, so we need to follow official things actually. So yeah, it's
so
like this.
Not even the officials of Hataya Sport could confirm or deny whether he's been sent to a hospital
Yes,
as we speak.
Exactly. Not confirm or deny, it is unclear. It's very bad, but it's the situation now.
When you spoke to his personal agent, what was his reaction?
Always, everywhere. He is in London now. We are always in contact. We are sharing all information to each other, but we still don't have any confirmation 100%. So we are just pushing for him. That's all.
There are some rumors that some of the injured who were rescued have been flown to the UK. Is it possible? It's not true?
Because he is in talks with the UK consulate also. If it happens, they already know, I think. They already informed.
But is the rescue mission over?
No, it's continuing. The city and the neighbor cities also are in, like a chaos. So they still continue, and it will continue maybe more than 1 week, 10 days. But of course, they need to reach him urgently, or maybe if he is hospital, we need to learn. I'm also trying to go the city to check with myself, with my team. But flights are not easy now, so I'm waiting flights. So probably I will go there directly also to check everything with my things.
Have they assigned specific hospitals to treat the injured, or it's general?
No, also many hospitals also collapsed, my brother. So, they are bringing some neighbor cities hospitals. I also check all hospitals, the other cities, not only Hatay, Gaziantep, Adana, Kayseri, Mersin. Still no news about him. We are keep pushing. Actually, we can't do anything more.
Have you had any information? Have you have any information on the sporting director?
Actually, yesterday he made one explanation that he can't find him in a hospital, something like this. So he's not sure. After that, he disappeared. He didn't answer. We tried to reach him actually, and also the Hatay Spor. The team, other players, they all went to Istanbul. They rescued only Atsu and sport director, not Mr. Taner. They were in same building. Only they can't reach these two people actually. Others all are safe.
So all the other players who play for Hatay Sport were rescued are safe, except Atsu and the sporting director.
And left the city also. Yes.
Okay, thank you for the information.
Please just follow the official things, please, everyone. Okay.
All right, all right. Thank you so much.
Abuzafona Mankasa Wedia Wawa Suma. We know esa arising another tension on Ghanaians. I say Enipa Kuma and Towumuyim, and people are kind of worried, going through a whole lot because already Christian Atsu at all. Enya Akunshie and now quite a part of this earthquake issue, then you see on the speculation on the social media, and go for interest, say Christian Atsu ever go through all this, then God should rescue this guy because this guy has become a source of income to certain people, a sort of help, a backbone, a destiny helper to certain people. They look up to him. Osumibia and Kola and Mojanka. He has been helping people a lot, and people, these were the good things they were saying about him. None of us were so much happy, and people were praying. They be moved to me so I could share video say, hey, Rade, send a day a boo party. Say, you may survive not a Rade and sa a womb. Until I did change your chest, Christian Atsu and what on put to Musanko for the social media chest, I done a Yamene, as I grow also Ganya Yamini and Findia grow, will be our born more day and Wakume Muni, one I know a sim pieball at the mark Christian Atsu, and then no more I then. No one I dream out a jack. Won't send one toner, a giant in our hospital. One could can't say beer and they will film and I say, and say, Uncle Yawa, war and Mebusian for no matter the tension and call Busian for so any other day. Now, when Mono and Andra Uncle Momo Edge won't say and draw share, now your prefer Christian Atsu, your car Atsu, our gun and one at and tar, nothing near Chupi, Ebia, and Yanta or I fear your coffin besides already now come Anthony until so be winning because. So huni nuana na ko beto into oye preparation de be ko take no de nani akon huni nuan se nuane da se ne tie bia na ko matoni ya nche ya na yesenya news e sade ba abonten e kire se Christian Atsu de masa frɛ yesi ne ho ye oye okay e na my video call e de hu no eno na speculation na yesaya den e be kekan na nso se say asaba beto e kire se ye hu Christian Atsu say yes, rescue or more from maybe on 19th floor or whatever, send ye tiano. say yensen who Christian Atsu. This is the tension abetowa. Emma go for so much concerned and worried. Already a day by as I had for players no more apartment already goalkeeper ne de ye hu no ama ya kase ya confirm say we film onya nyame de waye nyame de onya onkate asefo bio na Christian Atsu mu de no ene ye benya recently enya say oh ono de we pra kakra ne de enso say no rumors say ever since ye see a rescue no yemfa ye ni ento no so say ne wedi say ne ya wa share de bi enya Christian Atsu na da ho na bia busuafo ba behwe no ye hu sa nyoma we ni na eye iti we akwakoye edadwen iti Ghana for empaibo ekuremu a yensama empaibo mu enye dempa na empaibo so ene boy ma grant yi because adia edan ebubu ni count about 2,500 people daily na more than it is said you find yourself among these 2,500 being alive wonu nyankopon de mo apam kese bi pa because it is not easy push collapsing of these buildings sometimes it sounds impossible in occasions like this because share Danya will be video now Danya almost about 10-story buildings, 9-story buildings, 6-story buildings, not able come on. Now one kasa wo dey mu kura wo tim kura se be touch man e feel so be born na so kura we are dey ebubu ye wo troop ye wo a whole lot e be ade kura soft come on this the survivor through this earthquake means God has done it now almost so me free no na me gina platform so e dey akase onyankopon inform kra ensi na ebusuafo my misplaced na ye mo hyede I te say akoye se Ghana ni wo aka bia nya much consent to us but we should be concerned about whatever is happening we and a back in another issue ayenka se Ghana onyame ehirae Africa onyame ehirae and so yenso and ye di akoba when you come Africa you don't see all these kind of things earthquake and all that and you be a constructor and we see that and we see here and then in the so still now and still we are not grateful to God and in painful am I pray I was here for aha and I'm a demo ever see my day and kai boy a bro we did the limo and it can kwame American over to me after me advocate as this is your